Guys, I'm going to walk you through the review for our semester exam. The first thing we need to review is atoms. So question 1 says, do any of the atom diagrams represent atoms of the same element? Well, in order to decide that, let me get my pen going, we need to look at the number of protons. It's the protons that are important here. This one has 8, this one has 10, this one has 8. A and C have the same number of protons, so atom A and atom C are the same element. Atom B is some other element because it has a different number of protons. All right, again, protons are going to be important in number 2. Protons, you remember, are positively charged. So I'm going to look in the middle of this atom for the positively charged ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 protons. So I need to find a periodic table. Here we go. On the periodic table, the atomic number is the number of protons. So I want an element with 4 as its atomic number. It's going to be this one right here, beryllium. So what element is this atom? It is Be, beryllium. Basically, what we're coming down to is that protons determine the element. I think there's one more question. Here we go, number 3. An atom that has 4 protons, 5 neutrons, 4 electrons. I don't even care about the neutrons and electrons. It's just 4 protons. It's going to tell me again this element is beryllium. All right. That was atoms. What you need to know about atoms is that it is the number of protons that determine the element. Okay. Atoms of a particular element have different numbers of neutrons. Now, the protons aren't different. The neutrons are. Those are going to be the same element, but different isotopes. Different isotopes have different number of neutrons. What are valence electrons and where are they found? Well, you guys know that electrons are negative, so all of these out here on these energy levels are electrons, but only the 4 in these highest energy level, the most outside highest energy level, are valence electrons. All right, describe what they are and where they are in your own words. You can pause this video. What is in the nucleus? We already talked about one thing in the nucleus. These positively charged things, those are called protons. Also, we have these things in the middle that don't have any charge. They are neutrally charged. Those are neutrons. So protons and neutrons. All right, that's it for parts of the atom. The next video will be about periodic table.